If your Google ads are burning money and not bringing results, chances are you are making one of these mistakes. I have audited hundreds of ad accounts and I keep seeing the same error over and over again. Today I am breaking down the top 10 Google ad mistakes to avoid in the year of 2026. And in this first part, we are covering the 5 mistakes that silently killed your budget before you even realize it. Hi, I'm Iram Shaheen, a Google Ads specialist and the founder of Google Ads agency that's called Fuel Digital. Mistake number 1, running broad match without smart bidding controls. In 2026, Google is pushing broad match harder than ever. And yes, it can work, but if you are using broad match without a solid smart bidding strategy and proper audience signals, you are just handing Google a blank check. Broad match without controls means your ads show up for completely irrelevant queries, wasting your budget fast. Always pair broad match with target ROAS or target CPA bidding and make sure your conversion tracking is set up correctly first. Otherwise, you are optimizing toward nothing. Mistake number 2, ignoring search term reports. This one shocks me every time I see it. Advertisers spend thousands on ad and never check what search terms are actually triggering them. Your search term report is good. It tells you what real people are typing before clicking on your ad. If you are not reviewing it at least once a week and adding negative keywords, you are absolutely wasting money. In 2026, with Google's match types being more fluid than ever, this habit is not optional, it is survival. Mistake number 3, sending traffic to a weak landing page or a generic home page. Your ad is only 50% of the equation. The landing page is the other 50% and most people completely ignore it. If someone clicks your ad and lands on your home page or slow landing page or a page that does not match your ad promise, they will leave and you just paid for that click. In 2026, Google's quality score still matters. A relevant, fast conversion focused landing page lowers your cost per click and improves your results. Stop blaming the ads when the real problem is the page. Mistake number 4, not setting up conversion tracking properly. I cannot stress this enough. If your conversion tracking is broken, duplicated, or tracking the wrong actions, every optimization decision you make is based on bad data. I have seen accounts where purchase conversions were firing 3 times per transaction. Google thought the campaigns were performing brilliantly. In actual, they were not. Before you spend a single rupee or dollar on ads, verify your conversion tracking, use Google Tag Assistant, check for duplicate tags, make sure you are tracking actions that actually matter to your business. Mistake number 5, letting Google's recommendation auto-apply. Google's recommendations can be helpful, but auto-applying them, this is one of the biggest mistakes I see in 2026. Google suggestions are designed to increase your spend. Adding more keywords, expanding audiences, switching to broad match, these recommendations benefits Google revenue, not always yours. Turn off auto apply immediately if it is on. Go to your account setting and check right now. Review each recommendation manually and only apply what makes sense for your campaign goal, not Google's. So those are the 5 mistakes, and if you are making even one of them, fixing it today can make a significant difference in your results. Part 2 is already up, where I cover mistake 6 through 10, including the one that's costing most small businesses the most money in 2026. Drop a comment below which of these mistakes have you been making. I read every single one. See you in part 2.